What's up guys, Dave the Phone Guy, back again with another video, and this time I have a highly anticipated pair of earbuds, the Tronsmart Onyx Ace. We're gonna get this box popped open, go through all of its contents, do the head shake test, we're gonna do an audio test, we're gonna do a mic test, we're gonna do all the tests. So, grab your popcorn, sit back, relax, and let's get crazy. All right guys, so the Onyx 8 has quad mics. This thing is packing a Qualcomm chip. It has the aptX codec, touch control, sweat proof. What else is on here? 5 hours of playback time. Also, it's gonna give you 24 hours of total playback time with the case. It's packed full of goodies. Let's pop it open. So I want to say right off the bat, the packaging looks higher quality. I know packaging isn't that big of a deal, but it looks higher quality than a lot of these lower priced Bluetooth earbuds that I've been getting. It's a nice presentation right there. Let's open it. The case is very light, doesn't have much weight to it. I like that it has a battery indicator, LEDs right on the front. Can you guys see that? So the case comes fully charged. These are super light as well. Check them out, guys. What do you think? All right, let's put them in the case here, which does not pass the lid test. I don't know why it's so hard to make a good hinge. Just feels cheap. Maybe less premium package, more premium case. I don't know. What else is inside? All right, we got get started guide, warranty card, USB A to C for the USB-C port. So now that we have it unboxed, get rid of all of this stuff that we no longer need. Are there any buttons on the outside? Negative. Pairing mode, Tronsmart Onyx Ace. All right away it pops up, powered by Qualcomm aptX, so that's cool. We have the aptX codec right out of the box. Hey OnePlus, you forgot to put that in the OnePlus buds. Shh, I won't tell anybody. But I think they already know. Let's try them on. Super light, very comfortable. Well, let's start with a little shake it up. Are they in there? They're in there. They do feel a little loose, but they did stay in my ears, which is good. Let's go ahead and pop open YouTube Music. Let's start it off. Play. Here comes the bass. I don't need to listen to a lot of this, guys. You guys know that I use a lot of different earbuds. I don't have to spend a whole lot of time listening to something to know that it's not good. Wow. I'm very disappointed because a lot of you guys had said, Dave, check these out. You gotta check them out. The audio is super distorted. The highs are not crisp. They're not clear. The bass is very deep and hits hard. And I think that these would be good, but something's not right. It could be a defective pair, possible, but wow, that was not the crystal clear sound that I'm used to. This is not good. Wow, that was terrible. I don't think I've ever been this down on a pair of earbuds. I mean, these are definitely the worst earbuds, sound quality wise, that I've ever used. And it only took me 10 seconds to figure that out. Wow, okay. So, I mean, let's keep going. Let's do a mic test. For the sake of mic test, I'm really disappointed right now.
All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice using the Tronsmart Onyx Ace earbuds. How does my voice sound? Is it clear? Does the mic make up for the terrible audio quality? Again, this is the sound of my voice with the Tronsmart Onyx Ace earbuds with ambient noise running in the background.
Wow. Not sure how the mic is gonna work out, guys, but audio portion, this is definitely no bueno. I can't recommend these at all. They sounded awful. Downright distorted, just not clear, not crisp. I had high hopes for these things. They just didn't come through for me today. Anyways, guys, if you like this video or I helped you in any way, you know what to do. Smash that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to y'all in the next one. Peace! Brah!